Hey guys, it's Linda back again with another video. And if you're new to the Livin' La Vida Linda channel, thank you guys for stopping by. I was honestly in total shock when Glamnetic reached out to me for a collaboration. I am so excited to show you guys what I got. They sent me a few goodies to test out and share with you guys. I cannot wait to show you these amazing products. First things first, I need to show you guys the variety of lashes that they have on their website. It is amazing. I'm sure most of my fabulous budget babes has heard of Glamnetic, but if you haven't, I'd really love for you guys to check it out. Anne McFerrin, an LA-based artist, founded the company. It is a female-founded brand, guys. What I love about Glamnetic products is that they're cruelty-free and they have tons of vegan options. And I'd have to say that's very important in the cosmetics and products that I like to use. Aside from that, the products are just super high quality and affordable and just like amazingly easy to use. So let's get into these lashes. They sent me 3 fabulous styles. I'm going to be linking all of their information down below in addition to my coupon code, guys. So if you want to give them a try and get some money off, I'm going to be inserting it below and right here. I picked out these 3 fabulous lashes because they were all really different. They have a great lash quiz on their website, and it's super helpful for finding the perfect lash for your eye shape and style. So the first lash style that I picked out is in the style Ego. I specifically was so intrigued by Ego because purple is my favorite color. Colorful lashes are really on trend right now, and Glamnetic has a variety of colorful lashes. The next style I picked out is called Vogue. Look at how amazingly glamorous these are. And the last pair of lashes I got is in the style Lush. Look at how gorgeous they are. They are super dramatic and full. Definitely a showstopper lash. So let me tell you what's special about all of Glamnetic lashes. These are magnetic lashes. Every lash style has these tiny magnets that are super comfortable on the eye, and they make application super safe and comfortable because there is no glue required. They actually have a variety of magnetic liners on their website, but I picked out the Emerald. This one is a felt tip liner. They also have the liquid liner with the brush tip, and they have so many different color varieties that you can choose from. And the only other tool you'll need is the Glamnetic Lash Grab. This is a perfect applicator for your lashes and comb to comb them out and fix them out. So let's see these magical lashes perform. This was super easy to apply. I love this color. Now, time to apply the lashes. I'm gonna be using the style Vogue. Okay, now let's apply. I personally like to apply my lashes from the outer corner. So I'm going to work my way outward and then in. Oh. Wow. You don't even need a mirror, guys. It just goes boom. The magnets just stick. I didn't even do a thick eyeliner line. I'm sure even a thicker line would probably make it even easier, but I just did a nice little thin line just to, you know, get it on. But let's see how well they work. Will they pass the pull test? Ready? Pull, pull, pull. They're really on there, guys. Let's try another pair and see if they'll still adhere on the same eyeliner. Let's try the style Lush. Let's see how quick we can put this one on. And boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I still want to show you Ego, so let's do a little practice line here. Look, do you see the beautiful purple color? I am so in love with this. I cannot wait to wear these purple lashes. They really adhered to that line, guys. Look at that. Comb out your lashes, comb them up, get them to the desired fluffiness and shape that you want. But let's do the pull test and see how they perform on my hand. Pull, pull, pull. Glamnetic also sent me some of their fabulous press-on nail styles. This long coffin-shaped nail style is in Creme de Nude, and this gorgeous multicolored almond-shaped nail is in the style Sprinkles. So if you'd like to see me showing you how to use these beautiful nails, leave a comment down below and I would love to make that video for you. I am so impressed with these lashes and the quality and how easy they are to apply. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't worn lashes in a really long time because I was getting tired of getting my real lashes pulled out by lash glue, the messiness of it all, the residual glue that was left on my lids for days, the swollenness that my eyes would feel from literally trying to remove them, the rawness of my skin from trying to remove it. I mean, I was really fed up with lashes at one point. And now that I have these, I'm really glad that I can finally wear lashes again because I was beginning to worry about myself. These are great for beginners. Honestly, if you can put on just a simple line on the lid of your eye, you can wear these lashes. It is so user-friendly. Not only does the magnetic liner eliminate the use of glue, it also protects your lashes because you don't have to be ripping out your real lashes. But not only that, these are just super comfortable and really secure. I don't feel like they're gonna fly off. I don't feel like they're hurting or they feel too heavy. They feel super lightweight and really comfortable. You can definitely customize them to make them comfortable for your eye by trimming them. Again, be sure to check out their website because they have such a huge variety. You can find some that fit your lifestyle, your personal style, and your eye shape. Be sure to check out my description box below to check out their website and view their large selection for yourself. Again, don't forget to use my code for 15% off of your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and joining the Livin' La Vida Linda family. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.